Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a poll on WhatsApp chat on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, select the chat or group where you would like to set up a poll. Once you've chosen the chat, proceed to the next step. In the chat window, locate the paperclip icon and click on it. Look for the poll icon, which resembles a bar chart, and click on it to initiate the poll creation process. Next, input your poll question in the designated question field. Make sure to phrase your question clearly to gather accurate responses from participants. Following the question, move on to the Options field. Here, enter the various voting options that participants can choose from when responding to your poll. Once you have entered both the poll question and the voting options, you are ready to finalize and send out the poll. Click on the Send icon to dispatch the poll to the selected chat or group. Congratulations! Your poll has been successfully created and sent out to the participants. Engage with your WhatsApp contacts by utilizing polls to gather opinions and insights effortlessly. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech-related content and tutorials.